In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Notion for project management. So before we begin, you can simply head over to the link in the description to get access to Notion and also some extended benefits and rewards. So let's just jump right onto it. So you can see currently we are onto the home page or the dashboard of our Notion. Now, if you want to use it for project management, of course, let's just say you got a couple of orders going on, you can use the templates provided by Notion, or what you can do is simply start from scratch. So you can see you can connect your Notion calendar as well. You can also connect your database. So if you have any database related to your project, you can use that as well. To get started, what you need to do is simply you can click on this home and you can simply start with your blank page. So you can see we have our already existing tasks. If you want to create something from start, you can do that as well. So for that, you can either make a copy of a template, or you can see we have a create new page option. We got this page, you can add in here anything that we like. If you want to incorporate any type of boards, tables, anything, it is available here. So if you want to also import some data from CSV files, that is an option as well. So for more tutorials like these, you can subscribe and head over to the link in the description to get some extended benefits and rewards.